Alright folks, this thing has been shocking me and it hurts. I'm sick and tired of it. The static electricity has gotten the best of me. So I found an article on the internet about using copper wire and wrapping it around the tube and down to where it can touch on the ground, and it will actually ground the whole unit. And so when that static electricity builds up, instead of using me as the ground, it'll use the copper wire because it is the easiest route. So I gotta go to the hardware store. Hopefully they have some. But if you've ever experienced shock in your hand from when you're sanding, you feel kind of like a little shock. It's probably from the static electricity building up with all of the stuff getting pumped through the vacuum, and it's spinning and it's creating static electricity. And so hopefully this copper wire trick will work. But yeah, for me, I just sanded away and it just shocked me and it hurts your hand. I kind of thought it was the DeWalt sander itself, but it's not. I think it's a static electricity, or at least that's what I hope it is. So I'm going to go to the hardware store, I'm going to get some copper wire, and I'm going to give this a try. Stick around. Okay. So I got some of this wire. Mic on. Test. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna try to link this thing up somehow. Anything too crazy. Just start up here. Do a couple of wraps around. So it doesn't get in the way of everything. I hope this works. I'm sick of getting shocked. I kind of thought I was going to have to buy a full new sander, but I don't think it's the sander, so hopefully this will solve all of my problems. Okay. Nice down there. Just want to touch the ground. Okay, I'm hoping that will take the shock out. After attempting the sander with the copper wire rolled around the tube the first time, it did shock me again just a second ago, but What I realized is it was because the actual copper wire wasn't touching the ground. So you guys saw me reach down there, and I ended up getting the copper wire, the part that was closest to the ground, and wrapping it around something heavy that I had down there sitting on the ground, and that ended up working. And I ended up being able to use the sander and not get shocked anymore. It took the shock out, and I was super excited. This is a fun little trick for those of you who have experienced this static electricity shock, so give it a try. Alright folks, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Second Son Woodworks. My name is Caleb. Hope that you enjoyed this little tip video. See you next time.